What is going on, everybody? James with Blue Eye Tech coming here today, and today I am going to do a quick unboxing. I know it has been a long time since I've done any of these and since I actually made a video at all, but today I want to come back and do a simple quick unboxing for you guys, and today I'll be unboxing the Apple Pencil 2. Now, this I got not that long ago during a Black Friday sale for only around like $89, which actually is a really good deal compared to what it was before. So let me just open this up and so I can show you guys what you guys get inside. Now, I did use the original Apple Pencil with my old iPad 7, which was actually really good. I loved it. The only thing I didn't really care for was the way it charged. I thought the way it charged was very weird, kind of just not really a great way to charge at all. I was worried the charging port on the pen was going to snap, but the way that this is going to charge is actually going to be much easier than the Apple Pencil 1 did. This just kind of snaps on the side of your iPad, whether you have the iPad Pro, the iPad Air. It just charges that way wirelessly through the side of your iPad. Now, this will not be compatible with your previous iPads like the iPad 7, 8, pretty much the baseline iPads. This will not be compatible with. So it looks like this, you'll just pretty much get the paperwork like we always get with these devices. And here is the pen itself. Now, the thing is, the pen you can definitely feel the weight in it, though. It doesn't feel light and cheap. It definitely feels like a really nice pen. I like it. I also like that they don't have the cap on this one like they did on the previous model, which is really nice. It's one solid piece. You can actually take off the tips here, which is also great as well. So if anything happens with this tip, all you have to do is replace the pen tip, screw it back on, and then you are good to go. You don't have to replace the entire pen, which is nice. And there, honestly, replacement tips are super cheap to get. So this is actually pretty cool. And they actually have the flat side right here that will just go right on your iPad, which is nice. It's a really nice pen. I like how it feels in the hand. I can't wait to start using it. So this has been my unboxing of the Apple Pencil 2 for the iPad Air and iPad Pro. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. If you guys actually have one of these pens, what do you guys think of it? And if you guys had the first generation and actually have gone on to the second generation pen, what do you like about the second generation versus the first gen? Or was there something about the first generation pen that you actually like that the second generation does not do? One of my favorite features that this pen actually does have is that you can actually double tap and switch between the tools, which is actually pretty awesome, and I cannot wait to try that out. So anyway, this has been James with Blue Eye Tech. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.